Welcome back. 50 points higher from the day's low, back to the 17,000. Let's just pull up the Nifty. There you go, 17,003 as far as Nifty is go, trying to make a comeback at this point of time. That's what we can see. But the festive season has started and it's Diwali in the next few days. Let's welcome in our next guest. Neeraj, Head of Quantitative Equity Research at Axis Securities, is now with us. Neeraj, thanks so much for taking out time for us. You have released a report regarding your top Diwali picks. Could you talk to us about a few ones on the large cap and few ones on the mid cap space?
Yeah, thank you for having me on show. So we have released our report yesterday, and we believe that the relative performance of Indian equity market will continue for the next somewhat. Last somewhat was a very volatile somewhat, and we had seen a lot of volatility in last 1 year. Even with that volatility, our Indian equity market has outperformed the global as well as the emerging market. This is led by led by the resilience of our Indian economy, and we believe that this resilience will continue for near future. And based on that, we have categorized multiple themes for somewhat 2079. In the large cap space, we believe ITC, we are betting on ITC. ITC has given a stellar return in CY22, and we believe that the return for ITC will the show for ITC will continue for here onwards. Also, it is firing on all the cylinder. The core business cigarette is doing well. Along with that, all the other categories in terms of leisure, in terms of hotel and leisure, agri, and all other categories are also picking up. And we believe that in the entire FMCG space, this provide a more margin for safety, and one could make good amount of 12 to 15% from current level also. That is under our consumption space. Under consumption, we also like the QSR space. QSR is a very good category which has delivered a superior return in last couple of years, and we are betting on Westlife development under the QSR space. We believe that Westlife has enough lever to deliver growth in upcoming years in the high growth QSR industry, and company has also raised the guidance for the opening the store in next couple of years, and every year they are opening new stores of 40 to 50 store per year versus the earlier 20 to 30. And we believe that strong SSG, strong test of strong catalog to cater the Indian test. Along with that, there is an opportunity when after in the post-COVID world, when other restaurant categories have closed up. So we believe that this is the fastest growing category, and we are betting on that category, and one could make good amount of money in next 1 year. Apart from that, housing and banking is one of the theme one can look out in 2023. We know that we are seeing credit growth is picking up, and now an entire banking system is in a good shape as compared to what it was 2 years back. We have recommended in our Diwali picks with the IDFC First Bank. We recently initiated this stock with a target price of 70. We believe that the IDFC First Bank is poised for the growth in upcoming quarter. We have seen the asset quality improvement from last 6 quarters, and we believe that this trend will continue for upcoming quarter also. And based on the strong CASA ratio, we believe that the credit growth is likely to be double digit, around 20 to 25% in next couple of years. And based on that, return ratios will improve for IDFC First Bank, and this is a good candidate, a re-rating candidate for 2023. Along with that, we are very bullish on the CV cycle. We are seeing the early signs of CV cycle, and this CV cycle likely to sustain in 2023 with push from the government in terms of infrastructure, in terms of revival in the economic activities. We are very bullish on Ashok Leyland in the CV space. Along with that, Sundaram Finance is an NBFC which has shown a very good result in Q1. The disbursements were at all-time high level. Disbursement across the board is picking up, and they are also getting a good demand from the CV space, including the school buses, including the educational institute, and along with that, the infra demand. And we believe that this space could give a good return in next 1 year perspective. Along with that, one very interesting pick, that is NOSIL. NOSIL is a one-stop shop for the tire manufacturer and for fulfilling the chemical need. Now with the production number for domestic OEMs are improving, and we believe, and they are and that is translating into the higher tire demand, and we are believing that this is a good time to get involved in NOSIL. NOSIL is based on that. In Q1, NOSIL has reported one of the best quarterly number in terms of revenue also, and we believe that company has an enough lever to increase its production. Right now, capacity utilization is at 75%, and we believe that the end user demand is improving at a higher rate. And along with that, replacement demand in tire is also kicking in. So we believe that this is a good, this is translating to better profitability for NOSIL in coming quarters. And with the pickup in CV cycle, this will play a next leg of growth for NOSIL in next 1 to 2 year perspective. Along with that, we are seeing the signs of recovery in the travel and tourism space, especially after the vaccination drive. And we believe that this space is very attractive as compared to what we have seen a couple of years back. And this space is gaining momentum. Occupancy is improving across the board. And based on that, we have added Indian Hotel in our Diwali Muhurat pick recommendation. We believe that Indian Hotel is gaining the market share. Along with that, they turn their model into non-cyclical also. That will attract more ROE in the coming years. So that is we are betting on. We are betting on 5 themes for 2079, and we believe that these themes could deliver a good return in next 1 year perspective.
Thank you, Neeraj, today for joining us and discussing with your Diwali picks. So those are the themes that Axis Securities likes at the moment. It's related to consumption, travel and tourism, financials, commercial vehicles, housing, finance, etc. Neeraj, we'll let you go on that note. Appreciate your time today. Time to slip into a very short break. Nifty is above 17,000 mark. Whether it stays there or not, we'll track when we come back.